During men's Bible study this morning, I was sitting around with Pastor Nathan Hamilton, one of the 4 associate pastors of Living Water Fellowship. And we were talking about underlining, underscoring Bibles and how he's loved this Bible. He's had it since, well, the date here is 2007, his graduation from high school. And so I noticed, and he mentioned that it's falling apart. And so I volunteered. I said, Nathan, would you like me to make you a cover? And he was so thankful that I would be willing to take his Bible and make a cover, which I'm going to in just a moment or two. But I wanted to mention to you that as I have pastored in this fellowship for 14 years, I can now say what I'm about to say. So it's not like I'm tooting my own horn. I was made pastor emeritus about a year ago, and that basically means I'm retired, but it's really unique because I can still be a part of the fellowship, love the people, do things, but it's at my own use, discretion, time, and ability. So it's very relaxing compared to having been a pastor. Being a pastor is rough. It's the heart-wrenching feelings of taking care of people and loving people and hearing situations that they're involved in, and they're varied and there's many, as you know. And so one thing that I can say now, I would like to encourage you listening to go to your pastor at least 2 or 3 times a year and bless him with a gift. For example, I'm making Pastor Nathan this cover. Do something tangible and unique, like think of birthdays, think of Christmas, think of an anniversary where you want to encourage he and his wife and commend them for the years of marriage. Yet we forget that they're human and they need encouragement, because it's a very sometimes discouraging role. And so take time to think of ways to bless your pastor and encourage him. For example, I try to every Sunday find something that I can tell Pastor Philip that he said that I appreciated and liked. I'll sometimes email him if I don't tell him face to face. Or I'll go to Pastor Doug and tell him about the worship service and commend him for the choices of songs and the blessing that has been to me. I've never seen them not appreciate that. They light up, and it's really kind of neat. And I know because I've been on that side of the pulpit. Oftentimes you get criticisms and complaints. But I always tell people, think of something good to say and something that you were blessed with, not something that you found issue with. So I would like you to think these things through and practice them. So I leave you with this word, to pause and ponder.